It's recording.
Okay. Hey, Shalom Akim.
Shalom.
First and foremost, we want to give all honor and glory to
Yahweh,
Yahweh,
Bashem,
Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai,
Ba'ashem,
Ba'ashem, Rakah
Kodash.
Kodash. We want to give double honors to our apostles and great millstone who rule well. We want to say peace and blessing salutations to the house of David the elect. I'm Zahab and behind the camera.
Shakat.
All right, today we're going to go into a lesson entitled the effect of oil pulling, okay, or the benefits of oil pulling, man. And today I have here Great Value olive oil. This is not, I'm not recommending this particular brand, but this is what I have to work with today. All right, just to give the demonstration. All right, some of the top oils that you can oil pull with is grapeseed oil, sesame seed oil, I'm missing one.
Coconut oil.
Coconut oil, the water. Okay, but basically we're going to go into an article. All right, explaining the effects of oil pulling. Then I'm going to give a demonstration on how to use oil for oil pulling. Okay.
Good. All right, this is from a website called cancercrackdown.org, and it says oil pulling instructions. And it says in 1996, 2.5 years after starting the publication of oil pulling in Andhra Jyoti, a survey was advertised and conducted by the paper to find out the types of diseases cured and its effectiveness. Practitioners were requested to give their personal data along with duration of practice and the types of diseases cured. 1,041 people who practiced oil pulling responded and wrote letters of their experience. 927 people, or 89%, reported cure of one disease or more. 114, or 11%, people did not report any cure. Common diseases like allergies, common cold and cough, dental caries, gum diseases, infections in the mouth, ear, nose, throat, eyes, and pains like headache, migraine, toothache, neck pain, back pain, etc., allergic sneezing, lip cracking, fevers, irritability, etc., was cured. 758 cases cured, all felt energetic, active, and well due to the thing of oil pulling.
Yeah, and this is all based on simply oil pulling. And I'm just going to give a quick example. All I'm doing is getting out at this particular point olive oil, all right, and get enough to swish around your mouth. Okay, give or take a little. It depends on the size of your mouth. All right, and you will actually intake it, but you don't swallow it. You do not swallow it. You swish it around as though it's mouthwash. But between 5 and 15 minutes, you swish it around. And what it does, it extracts the plaque. It extracts the bacteria. It extracts all the germs and any microorganism, anything that's harmful to your immune system. The oil extracts that. Okay, all right. And you want to make a quick point?
Yeah, we're just going into like the daily oil pulling procedure.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. It says the first thing in the morning on an empty stomach and before drinking any liquids, including water, use 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, safflower or sunflower oil can be used. Oil pulling can be done 2 or 3 times daily if needed. The most important pull is in the morning. Note, you can warm the oil before starting. Never use a microwave or you can let it melt in your mouth. So so it says set a timer for 20 minutes. Then go ahead.
And as you can see, I just poured the oil. Like I said, theoretically I would drink the oil, but I would not swallow it. And I would swish it around my mouth, like the article said, for about 20 minutes. All right, and realistically, sometimes I would just do it for 10 minutes. All right, and if you have, if you want to go for hygiene, or if you want to help, if you have a sensitive teeth, or you have problems with, you have some type of infection within your mouth, you can use clove essential oil. Okay, clove essential oil, tea tree oil. All right, and you can take these powerful essential oils. Of course, Google. All right, for your particular ailment that you're dealing with. Okay, always research yourself. All right, but you will take the essential oils and release a few drops, in the oil. So here I am inserting clove essential oil, a few drops of clove essential oil into the olive oil. In this particular case, olive oil. And I would go by the same procedure. First thing in the morning, I would swallow it. All right, I'm sorry, I would intake it, but I would not swallow it and swish it around my mouth as though it's mouthwash. But I would have it within my mouth for about 20 minutes, give or take a few. Okay. And then when I spit it out in the sink, you're gonna notice that when she spit it out, the oil is going to be a lot thicker. Why is it going to be a lot thicker? Because all that plaque and all that bacteria that was in your mouth that your toothbrush and your floss couldn't get, the oil extracted it. That's why it's called oil pulling. It's pulling the bacteria, the plaque from your mouth, man.
That's right.
All right. And also it's very effective because 80% of your immune disease, 80% of your immune system is by your gut. Okay? So this attacks the bacteria before it gets into your immune system. Okay? This is why it's so effective, and this is why it cures so many things that seem distant from actually oral hygiene.
Right.
Like the brother was just going into the different things that they cured. The reason why I cure a lot of those different things because it's associated with the immune system. So if it attacks the bacteria before it gets to the immune system becomes healthier, stronger.
That's right.
Okay? It fortifies it. You see?
Good. All right. And other pros, it has the like the brother just mentioned, it can help heal and prevent bleeding gums, decreases bacteria load in the mouth. One of the best natural tooth whiteners.
Yep.
So instead of going like to the store buying that expensive Colgate tooth whitener, you can do something simple and effective as oil pulling. You know.
Yep.
And of course, it helps improve systematic, health, which means improve your immune system. Okay. Now going back to this article, it says right here that move the oil around your mouth without swallowing it and put it through the teeth. Don't tilt your head back to gargle and swish. You will find that the oil will start to get watery as your saliva mixes with it. Keep pulling. If your jaw muscles get sore while pulling, you're putting too much into it. Relax your jaw muscles and use your tongue to help move the liquid around the inside of your mouth. When you do this correctly, you'll feel very comfortable. Pretty soon it will become second nature.
Yep. So, hey, that's pretty much the point. Was there anything else in the article?
Now, that's pretty much it right there, brother.
Okay, yeah. Well, look, brothers, like I said, you can use olive oil, sesame seed oil, grapeseed oil,
walnut macadamia oil. Coconut oil, of course.
Of course, coconut oil, which is very thick.
Right.
All right. And like I said, if you want to supersize what you're doing, if you want to, go further, you could put essential oils such as clove bud essential oil, tea tree essential oil, rosemary essential oil, or you can put that into your oil during your oil pulling process, man.
That's right.
All right. So this is something to add to the body, man. Something to give to the house of David. All right, as we get closer to our heritage and we astray to the best of our ability from Esau's hurtful methods of healing, man. Okay. Yeah, come on.
All right, Proverbs 12:1. Whoso loveth instruction, loveth knowledge, but he that hateth reproof is brutish.
So if you hate the right way to do something, you're brutish, man, and you don't deserve to be with your house side. All right, but once again, did you have any closing statements?
No, that was it right there.
Okay, we hope you brothers are edified. Once again, we want to give our honor and glory to
Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahushai, Ba'ashem, Rakakwadash.
Hey, once again, double honors to our apostles at Great Millstone Ruel. Peace and blessings to the house of David the elect. To the next lesson. Shalom.
Shalom.